In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payroll adjustment in Hubstaff. Managing payroll can often be a meticulous task, and having the ability to make precise adjustments is essential for ensuring accuracy and fairness for both employees and employers. Thankfully, Hubstaff provides a straightforward process for creating payroll adjustments, which I'll guide you through step by step. Let's get started by navigating to the financial section. When you first log into your Hubstaff account, you should see an array of options on your dashboard, designed to help you manage different aspects of your business operations. For our task today, focus your attention on the Financial tab. It's often represented by an icon resembling an arrow or a graph, signaling financial activity. Go ahead and click on this arrow next to Financial, which will unveil a set of finance-related actions. This feature is your gateway to managing payroll, payments, expenses, and more. Once you've clicked on the arrow, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the Payroll Adjustment option. Hubstaff has streamlined this menu so that finding your required function should be quite intuitive. Clicking on Payroll Adjustment will bring you to a new page where you'll execute your adjustments. Now that you're in the Payroll Adjustment section, the next thing you need to do is click on the Create Payroll Adjustment button. This step initiates the process of making the desired changes to your personnel's payroll data. Clicking this will typically open a form or a pop-up window designed to collect the necessary information needed for the adjustment you wish to make. In this area, you may need to input details such as the employee's name, the reason for the adjustment, and the amount you are adjusting, whether it's an addition or subtraction. It's important while filling out this form to cross-check the details you are entering. As this adjustment will directly impact the pay of your team members, accuracy here is crucial. Double-check employee IDs, names, and any numerical values you input, so there won't be any unexpected errors or discrepancies. Once you've completed the necessary fields and verified that all the information is accurate, you're ready to finalize the adjustment by submitting or saving it. And that's it! In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully created a payroll adjustment in Hubstaff. This functionality makes managing your team's payroll an easier task, giving you the flexibility to ensure that your payroll records are always current and correct. Remember, the ability to make precise changes boosts the efficiency of your HR operations and enhances employee satisfaction by adhering to timely and transparent payroll practices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has simplified the payroll adjustment process for you. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and guidance on making the most of Hubstaff's powerful features.